Dumpster rental service in Indiana. At Arch Waste and Recycle, we make waste disposal simple and stress-free. Our dumpster rental service in Indiana provides reliable, cost-effective solutions for home projects, business cleanouts, and construction sites. We take pride in offering a variety of dumpster sizes to fit your needs, whether you're tackling a small renovation or managing large-scale debris removal. Our team is dedicated to fast deliveries and prompt pickups, ensuring your project stays on track. Renting a dumpster has never been easier. You'll get the correct container delivered to your location with a quick call or online booking. We serve homeowners, contractors, and businesses throughout Indiana, helping you keep your space clean and clutter-free. At Arch Waste and Recycle, we prioritize customer satisfaction. Our team is always ready to answer your questions and recommend the best dumpster size for your project. We offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees, making budgeting straightforward. We handle various types of waste, including construction debris, household junk, and yard waste. Our dumpster rental service in Indiana is the ideal choice when you need a dependable waste management partner. Let us take care of your disposal needs so you can focus on what matters most. Call Arch Waste and Recycle today at 812-758-7274 and let's get started.